Thanks, Tamanna, for that. Meanwhile, Facebook, which is in the midst of a political row in the country, has said that it is an open, transparent organization. Facebook also publicly defended its employees amid threat from its global staff about bias in India. VP of Facebook India, Ajit Mohan, in a statement said that Facebook denounces hate and bigotry in any form. Let's take it across to Chandra. She has more details on the story.
Amidst the huge row that's erupted over the way Facebook enforces its hate speech policies in India, Facebook's India head Ajit Mohan has written a post detailing their policies, and at the outset he said that Facebook is and has always been an open, transparent and non-partisan platform. He's also said that they take allegations of political bias incredibly seriously, and that the platform denounces hate and bigotry. It also has very strict policies against hate speech with respect to ethnicity, caste, religion, community or any other category, and that these community standards are enforced across the world. He's also said that there is no question of political bias. They do their work in a way that is very non-partisan. Now remember, this is coming days after Wall Street Journal said that Facebook India's public policy head Anki Das opposed attempts to flag off certain posts by BJP leader Raja Singh as hate speech because she believed this may affect Facebook's business prospects in India. Now, as a result of that, there's been a huge war of words between the BJP and the Congress, and Facebook has now been summoned by the Parliamentary Panel on Information Technology on September 2nd. The Facebook India officials have to depose before it to really tell them about how they go about enforcing these policies on their platform. So in a reference to that, Ajit Mohan said that they are willing to explain to any officials about their policies on content moderation and hate speech, that they are committed to this, but he's also acknowledged that they have to do a lot more in order to tackle hate speech on their platform, and that it's an ongoing process.